Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner, a smart cordless cleaner designed to make pool maintenance easier, faster, and more efficient. If you're tired of manually vacuuming debris, brushing walls, or dealing with tangled cords, this machine brings a premium hands-free solution for modern pool owners. The Aiper Scuba S1 stands out with advanced wall and waterline cleaning, meaning it doesn't just clean the floor like basic pool robots. It actively climbs pool walls and scrubs the waterline area where dirt, oils, and buildup usually collect. That gives your pool a cleaner and fresher look with less manual effort. Another major highlight is dual filtration. This system helps capture both larger debris like leaves and fine particles such as dust or sand. That means clearer water and more effective cleaning in one full cycle. Whether your pool deals with everyday dirt, pollen, or seasonal debris, the Scuba S1 is designed to handle it efficiently. Battery life is also impressive, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime. That extended cleaning session allows it to cover larger pools without needing frequent charging. Cordless operation means no cable tangles, no limited movement, and no complicated setup. Just place it in the water and let it work. For navigation, Aiper includes high-precision sensors and smarter route planning. Instead of random movement, the Scuba S1 is built to clean more systematically, reducing missed spots and improving total coverage. This can save time and improve consistency compared to lower-end cleaners. The app support adds another level of convenience. You can monitor performance, manage cleaning modes, and receive updates directly from your smartphone. OTA upgrades mean over-the-air software improvements, so your robot can keep getting smarter over time without buying new hardware. Build quality looks modern and durable, designed for repeated use in pool environments. The filter basket is easy to remove and rinse, making maintenance simple after each cleaning cycle. If you own an in-ground or compatible pool and want less manual labor with better cleaning performance, the Aiper Scuba S1 is a strong premium option combining cordless freedom, intelligent cleaning, and smart controls. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy yours on Amazon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews every day.